Grandma, we are at the train station today. Look, that is the ticket counter. Let's go.
Hello. We need 2 one-way tickets to the city, please. Make sure they are for the morning train.
Look, Grandma, I have got our tickets right here. Everything is ready now, so let us go find our train platform.
Look up at the digital departure board, Grandpa. Our train schedule is displayed right there, and let us check the timing carefully.
Look right here, it says on time in green letters. That means our train is not late today and will arrive exactly at 10 o'clock.
Which platform should we go to, Grandpa? Please check your ticket again so we do not go to the wrong train.
The sign clearly says Platform 2 right here. Follow me this way, Grandma. Our train will arrive at this platform very soon.
Hold on to the handrail tightly, Grandpa. The stairs are a bit steep, so please walk slowly and be very careful.
You are absolutely right, Grandpa. Safety is the most important thing at the station. Everyone should always follow these simple safety rules every day.
Mind the gap means watch your step carefully so you do not fall down. Step inside slowly, Grandma. Give me your hand so I can help you.
These blue seats are so comfortable and soft, Grandpa. The train interior is very clean and quiet. I am really enjoying this trip.
Look out the window, Grandma. Our train journey has officially started now. Moving through new places is such an amazing way to learn English every day.
Thank you for traveling with us today. Keep practicing your daily English, stay safe, and we will see you in our next video adventure. Goodbye.